Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to focus on creating or freezing multiple columns. So imagine you have this large database, and this information is wonderful. However, you would like to freeze multiple columns, and probably you know how to freeze a single column. However, the single column here is now only the ID, and I can understand that maybe you say, well, it's very interesting to have ID numbers. However, what about the company name? Because that is for me more important information. I know the company name, but I don't know the ID number. So how to do that? Well, if you would go here now to view, you have here the freeze first column option. And if we do that, then we don't get what we want. As you can see, this is our issue. So how to solve this issue? First of all, click here on Unfreeze the pane. So once you do that, you can see that everything is gone. So everything's cleaned up. And what we're doing then is we will select this option again, but we need to pinpoint where do we want this to start. So if you click on this here, for example, we'll click on Freeze the panes. What happened now is we're freezing all the columns before column C, meaning that column A and B are now frozen and column C is a starting point. So now if we move on, we can see that we get the information of the company as well, and you can see everything information here. So you can see this is working exactly as we need. So this is an option. So, and if you want to remove them, you just click on Unfreeze the pane, and then everything works again as it should. You can see if we will scroll to the right or the left, everything works perfectly. And this is really how you can use the freeze panes to control the amount of columns you want to show. So if you want to show even more columns, for example, you want to start at D, or you want to see, you want to make sure that A, B, and C are frozen, you click on the D and you click on unfreeze freeze panes. You see that there's a line here coming, and now we move it, and that's how you do it. Unfreeze it, remove everything. There you are. So now you understand how to freeze multiple columns in Excel with the freeze pane option. So if you like all these kind of useful tips and tricks for Excel, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course to improve your skills.